Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
Decent Machinery says explosion-proof centrifugal fan blowers are designed with robust materials and motors from leading brands to ensure safe operation in petrochemical facilities. Performance curves illustrating pressure and airflow characteristics are meticulously analyzed to meet strict safety standards. Dynamic balancing minimizes vibration-related failures. Decent Machinery SAS provides tailored solutions, exceptional after-sales support, and on-site technical assistance to ensure the highest safety standards are met in hazardous environments.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.